What's up, Rockfan 1524? Today we will be continuing our part 2 from Cabin Crew Simulator. Guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Let's go, guys. Let's get to 70 subs. And let's go to part 2. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Back at the airplane. We arrived. Guys, since we arrived already, let's go ahead and open up the door. The passengers are going off, guys. We're opening cabinets. Remember, guys, we left off on the part where we got to the runway. Now we're dispatching the passengers. They're all leaving now. So, guys, let's go. We just got $448. Come on, guys, let's go. I heard my boss has to see me. He said it's important. We finally arrived to LAX. Let's go, guys, to the meeting room. Guys, remember what I said earlier. Hit that big subscribe button. Like the video, guys, please. We are trying to get to 70 subs. That would be amazing if we can. Thank you, guys, for all your support. So, boss, you wanted to see me?
Yes, I did actually. So, I have a complaint of people that you've been doing stuff bad. Now, we want to improve that. So, I have a job for you. If you fly a plane that I will assign for you, I will give you that McLaren. Do we have a deal?
Boss, can we actually make an arrangement? I just want a I just want this job to show you that I could be a good flight attendant and I don't need no one. So, boss, you don't have to give me that McLaren. I could do it me. Okay, boss? Thank you, boss.
Well, I'll think about it. But actually, I think we could actually test your skills. So, fine, we'll do the arrangement. I don't think you'll need that McLaren after all. All you gotta do is do that job and maybe reward me with something. Alright, get back to work.
Alright, guys, we are going to the job that my boss has assigned me. So, guys, gate 4, which appears to be this one. So, guys, yup, we're going to New York. Ooh, is that the airplane that my boss assigned? Guys, let's go ahead. Let's go. We got this. Wish me luck, guys. Ooh, this airplane is big, guys. Wow. This is insane. I'm in shock. Alright, guys, let's do this really quick. I don't want to take forever. So, guys, let's wrap everything away. Okay, we're just putting this away, and then we're almost done. Finish here. Let's go to the front, guys. Wow, I did not know that my boss would assign this plane. Come on, guys. Let's do this. Okay, guys, we are done here. let's do that for the pilots. Let's start boarding business. My boss told me that this plane could fit 72 passengers. Guys, we will be busy. Oh wow, this plane is big. We got this. Yup, keep moving people, let's go. My boss said that this plane will take us to New York. Alright? I'll see you guys when we're going to take off. See you when I take off.
Requires assistance. Secure your mask on first and then assist the other person. Keep your mask on until a uniformed crew member advises you to remove it. In the event of an emergency, please assume a bracing position. Lean forward with your hands on top of your head and your elbows against your thighs. Ensure your feet are flat on the floor. A life vest is located in the pouch under your seat or between the armrests. When instructed to do so, open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head, pass the straps around your waist and adjust the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord only when leaving the aircraft. If you need to refill the vest, blow into the mouthpieces. Use the whistle and light to attract attention if required. Also, the seat bottom cushion can be used as a flotation device. Pull the cushion from the seat, slip your arms into the straps and hug the cushion tightly towards your chest. At this time, your portable electronic devices must be set in the airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. You will find this and all the other safety information in the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read this before takeoff. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask one of our crew members. We wish you an enjoyable flight.
Alright guys, we just finished with our instructions. So guys, we are about to take off.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Ready, set, go. Nah, just kidding. Alright, here we go up to the sky.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Okay guys, let's start to serving cards. I'll see you when we start serving cards. Alright guys, let's start serving cards. Okay guys, I'm going to serve drinks first and then I'll serve snacks. Coke sir? Yep. You know what? Let me just do this real quick. I'm sorry. I'm just going to go through you guys. Since you guys, well, are built like that. Okay. I'm only doing drinks first. Okay, we're doing good here. Alright. This could take us a very long time, so hang on tight. Why did I get this job? Why? Who complains about me for being bad, bro? But it is what it is. Let's do our job so we don't get fired. Alright guys, let's keep up this good job. Let's do it very good. And I'll see you guys when we get to the point to pick up trash, because it's just going to take a long time. So guys, I'll see you when we pick up trash. Alright guys, so we are picking up the trash to land, because once we pick up all the trash here, we will be landing. Yup guys, I wonder what my boss's reaction will be once he knows that we completed the job. Guys, we did a good job today. Thank you for being here with me and watching this video. And I hope you remember to subscribe and hit that like button. Come on guys, hit that like button, subscribe. Alright guys, we're doing it. We're doing good here. We're doing good here. All that chat. With some that. We're doing this quick, guys. Because I honestly just want to go home, rest a little while, and just get the reward. Alright guys, almost there. Oh, for business class, I forgot.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Alright guys, I'll prepare them for arrival, and I'll see you guys when I land. Alright guys, we officially landed, and we will be going to our gate number, and we will be going to see our boss, that we will be telling him that we completed our mission, we did a good job. So guys, let's hope that nothing bad happened, and let's go see our boss. Alright guys, we officially landed. Alright guys, we officially arrived. We are here to our destination, guys. I am going to be so happy when my boss finds out that we made it. Alright guys, yup, we are here. Let's start opening the cabinets and everything. Thank you for choosing this airline, guys. I'm not talking to you guys, I'm talking to the NPCs. Alright guys, we did awesome in this flight. Now we just gotta go see the boss. The boss. Oh, look at that. $992. Collect 2,000 bucks. Oh, bet. Oh, what is this? Oh. Bye, crew. Bye. Alright, we are going to the office. Rivals. I'll see you guys at the meeting room. So boss, how'd I do? I felt like everything did good in my flight. I helped my flight attendants out. I served my food. I did everything, sir.
You did very good in this flight. The pilot said you did very good. The flight attendants, the same. So I'm going to reward you with a day off. Tomorrow, no work. You have a day off. Good job. Congratulations. You are the flight attendant of the day. Go have a day off.
So guys, I am going to go enjoy my vacation, um, or day off, whatever. But guys, thank you for being here with me, tuning in for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and like and subscribe for more of this content. Thank you guys. Bye, Rock Fam 1524. So guys.